If you have lost sending privileges on Coinbase and want to restore them, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process clearly and concisely. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Access your Coinbase account by entering your credentials on the official website or app. Ensure you are using the correct login information to avoid any issues. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or the settings menu. This is where you can manage your account preferences and security settings. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Review security settings. Check your security settings to ensure that your account is secure. This may include enabling two-factor authentication or updating your recovery options, which can help in restoring your sending privileges. Step 5. Contact Coinbase support. If you have completed the previous steps and still cannot send funds, reach out to Coinbase support. Provide them with the necessary information and explain your situation for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Coinbase. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.